Hi, this is Nathalie from Arrow from the Netherlands, and this is a great video because this is the first collaboration I'm doing in 2025, and I'm doing this together with Suzanne from Nonstop Paper Crafts. I know you all know her. We did collaborations before. We did Buzz into Spring, the final days of summer. I think we did Bohemian Summer. Yeah, that's also the name of the kit we did. And we had planned a fourth collaboration in 2024, but due to her moving again, she moved twice in, I think it was a year time. And also things on my side, so it's not completely all Suzanne's fault. We were both busy and we kept postponing, and then we said, well, let's do it in January. I believe we already had set the sort of kit we were going to make months ago. And I have to say, it's always very easy with Suzanne to come to a collaboration kit. Because it's literally goes like, okay, in this case, I wrote her something. Okay, how do you feel about burgundy? And then she said, I love burgundy. So it's going to be burgundy. Okay, what sort of papers are we going to create? We're going to create this. Okay, set. And then she sent me an example of her, of her creation, and we go from there. And it's always very, very easy. We set an amount of pages. Obviously, I always go over that amount, and then she does too. And then I'm one short, or she is one short, and then we say, oh, I have one less. Oh, I can create another one, and then it's easy peasy. And she has a great design team too. So together with her design team and Arrow's design team, we are going to do the collaboration together. So Suzanne is working with the kids, I'm working with the kids. But today is the time to show us, no, not us, to show you the papers that we created. I'm going to show my half over here. And of course, Suzanne is going to do a review of her kit on her channel. I will link her video down below. And there's also a Linktree link to Suzanne's design team members, to the Arrow design team members, and there is a Linktree link to all the Facebook groups that are going to host the challenges. I am going to shortly explain about the challenges because it's going to be different than we did it before. And that is because we are hosting the challenges with not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, but 7 groups. I'm going to, there's a link tree of the Facebook groups hosting the challenges down below, but I'm going to tell you the names anyway. It's going to be Sweet Pea Papers, Two Sister Jam, Junk Journal Tutorials and More, Junk Journal and Paper Crafts. Then there's a new group, Sophie's Crafty Corner. Of course, we have Suzanne from Nonstop Paper Crafts, and of course, Arrow. So there will be 7 groups. There will be 3 weeks of challenges. The 4th week is just to catch up and post as many posts as you can in several groups. And each week comes with a set of free challenge papers that are for free in the Facebook group. In Arrow, they are for free in the Facebook group. I do have them also on my Ko-fi, but they are also always for a small fee. If you don't want to pay anything, just be a member of the Facebook group and then you can download them for free. So I will have challenge papers for week 1 in Arrow. Suzanne will have hers in Nonstop Paper Crafts. But together we also create one page for each Facebook group that is going to host the challenges. So each group will have 2 freebies or challenge papers each week. So you have to be a member of all those groups to collect all those papers. And if you don't want to purchase the kit, but still want to join in with the challenges, you can just use the hashtag Elegant Burgundy, because that's the name of the kit, in your post. And if you use 1 or 2 of the kits together with the challenge papers or not, but as long as there is a kit involved, your post count as 2 entries. If you only use the challenge papers we provide, then your post is 1 entry. And it means basically if you have 2 entries, your name will be in a name picker wheel twice. If you have 1, your name will be in 1 time. We are going to do a different prize drawing. Each group is going to spin 5 times. So there's not going to be a first, second or third prize. There will be 5 spins for each one kit. So at the end, if we have all different people, several people can win a kit. So we will have more winners, and that's the goal. In Line.arrow, you can only choose from the Line.arrow shop in that Facebook group. So those 5 winners have to pick from Line.arrow. In Suzanne's group, you can only pick from Non-Stop Papercraft shops. But in the other groups, it's up to the winner. They can choose Suzanne's papers or Line.arrow papers. It's up to them. Yeah, that about the winners. Is there something I forget to say? I'm not sure. I have a feeling I'm forgetting something. No, I don't think I am. But there will be more explained about the drawings, the entering in the challenges, and of course about the challenges. Every week there will be a new video that will be on Saturday. So today it is the 3rd. Friday we are releasing the kit, but the challenge will start tomorrow on the 4th. So the first one is going to be on the 4th, the second week on the 11th, the third week on the 18th, and the final is going to start on the 25th until the end of the month. And then there will be the drawings, but we will discuss the drawing date together and we will inform you, of course. I think it will be on Sunday the 2nd, but I'm not sure yet. But first let me show you the papers, because that is the whole idea of this video. I did select a few items that I want to use in my journal, and I suggest you do the same. It is like a burgundy color kit, and burgundy has a lot of colors, because you have burnt burgundy, you have sorry, I'm speaking Dutch. You have bright burgundy, you have dark burgundy, you have blackberry burgundy, you have light burgundy, bruise burgundy, vivid burgundy, deep burgundy, burgundy wine. So there is a lot. So I think there will be a lot of fabrics and little laces and things like that will suit both the kits, because this is going very well with burgundy. And since it's called Elegant Burgundy, I go for these, and these are, to be honest, I love this as a journal piece, but as a real thing in your house, it's not pretty, but oh my goodness, this is so pretty. And I have this one. I have this for a very long time. I believe I even used this as a pattern one day. But this is the actual thing. But let me quickly take the images, the sheets, and show you the kit. And like I said, Suzanne is going to show you her kit, so make sure you check out her channel too. I will link her video down below. Yeah. Elegant Burgundy. It is a collaboration between me and, of course, Suzanne from Non-Stop Papercrafts. There will be 23 pages, but I have to tell you, in mine are 26. And not that there are 3 extra pages, but there are 3 pages that are 2-on-1, so you have smaller size. Not everybody is able to resize with printing, so I thought I add a few little elements 2-on-1 page to make it easier for them. So 23 pages, but you will receive 26. This is just a promo sheet. You will receive this one, by the way, too. And it is a slimline journal. And because these are very big, I also created a US letter size kit for this one. So when you purchase the kit, be sure that you have the right one. You can use the A4 size and print them on US letter size paper, because that's what my design team has been doing for the past almost 5 years. But I thought it would be nice to have a US letter size kit too. And I have Terry from Sweet Pea Papers tested the papers, and she said they were okay, because obviously I don't have US letter size papers. If you received the kit and you do have issues with printing, please let me know. But Terry also has an instruction video on her channel from Sweet Pea Papers that is explaining how you can get the full design without stretching and cutting off A4 size paper kits on US letter size paper. And that's a video you should really watch. I will try to link it below. If I forget, please comment down below and I will add it later. But like I said, slim pages. And this is one of the slim pages. Maybe I need to take you up just a little. Yeah. So this is the first page. And the second page. This is the third. With a beautiful lady over here. Different patterns, different textures. Also butterflies, of course. Then we have this one with some ledger and some florals. Another one with ledger and florals. A very busy paper with lots of different patterns, colors, scripts, even sewing over here, ledger. This is one of the backing pages. You can actually write on these. Of course, I included a, how do you call it, collage sheet. And I thought, well, maybe you can also cut out the little elements and use them as little ephemera pieces. That's an option. Then there is another design floral backing page, but it also can be a cover page, of course. And we have this collage sheet. And over here we have the ephemera pieces. A check, a portrait. You can turn this into a journal card. Some little bits and pieces to embellish. Floral, elegant ladies and little ephemera pieces. Envelopes. I really like envelopes. Pockets and numbers with number labels. Sorry, one of the lights dropped onto my camera. I'm not sure if you saw, but I noticed too late, so it was already bumped on. Pockets. This can be a little booklet, but you can also use them as long journal cards or turn them into tuck spot or belly bands. Huge tags. I like them. But if you think they are too big, you can always cut them a little smaller, of course. Another postcard, more tags. Okay, the light is dropping again. Okay, I hope it stays up now because it's falling down every time. I added a journal card, some bookmarks and another tag over here. More journal cards and little labels and little pieces to embellish your tag or your journal card or your pages with. Slim journal cards with pockets. And this is just a frame in the back side of a, what is it called? Cabinet card. Some little flowers. And another another frame with a beautiful lady. You can turn this into a booklet, of course, but you can also use this as a front piece for your cover and add one of the other pieces in here or cut this out. I have some book labels over here. I added an envelope, some tickets. So these are the 23 pages, and then I added 3 pages with smaller pieces. So this is 2 on 1 page, 2 on 1 page, and another 2 on 1 page. So at the end you will have 26 pages. And make sure if you go to my Etsy store to click the right set of papers. If you want A4, you click A4. If you want to try the US letter size, you have to pick the US letter size. So these are my set of papers. I just realized that I totally forgot to discuss with Suzanne on for what price and what discount the kits are going to be for sale in our Etsy stores. But I will try and add it in with the text, and otherwise I will tell you in the Facebook group, or you will see in the Etsy store, because I did ask her and I'm in the middle of my video and I'm not sure if she will reply within now and a few seconds. But they are always on sale because we always try to have as many people possible purchasing the kits, because it's a lot of fun seeing people play with our papers. But yeah, that info will follow. They will be on sale for sure. And I believe Suzanne is now posting her kits on her Ko-Fi page too. So I think for this occasion, I will put this one on my Ko-Fi too, to make sure we both have them on our Ko-Fi shops. So it's easier that way. But this is the show and tell video of the Elegant Burgundy kit from Line.Arrow. And make sure you watch Suzanne's video too. As I said, I linked it down below, and there will be a playlist that is called #ElegantBurgundy. And in the Facebook groups, there will be shares of the videos too. And yeah, as from tomorrow, we will start our first challenge. And we hope to see you there. And we hope you all join in with the fun and make January 2025 a good month to start the new year with. I'm so excited about this. So I hope you are too. And thank you all for watching. Yeah, leave a like, leave a comment. If you're not a subscriber, maybe you want to be a subscriber. And I hope to see you again next time. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.